Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to Kindergarten Math. If you remember, on Monday, we started counting all the way to 100 by ones and tens. And that's what we're going to do again today. But I have a really big problem. I brought my hundreds chart again with me today, and on the way into school, I dropped it, and all these numbers in these missing spots fell out. So we can't begin our math lesson today until we find which number goes in each of these missing spots. So before we begin, do you think that you can help me count these out and figure out what numbers go in these spots? I sure hope you can, because we can't learn today until we get that done. All right, so let's take a look at our hundreds chart. We are going to count through each row and see if we can find where all of these numbers go. Can you help me? Let's get started. All right, let's count first, starting with 1, 2, 3, and we have a missing number. Can you tell me what number goes in that spot? Let's try counting that again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's see, where is my number 4? Is it this one? I see a number 4 there. This one or this one? Which number will go in that spot? You're right, it's the one in the middle. This has a number 4, but it is not the number 4. So we're going to put number 4 there. All right, do you think we can count on from 4 like we learned last week? Let's try that. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We need to find the number 8. Do you see the number 8 in these cards? I see number 8 in 2 of these numbers, but which one is just the 8 digit by itself? Very good. It is this one. This is the number 8. So now we have this entire row full. Let's count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Thank you so much for your help. We've already figured out where 2 of my missing numbers that fell out belong. All right, let's keep going from 10. Let's try our next row. 11. What number comes after 11? It's 12. So let me see, which of these numbers is 12? Do you see which number is 12? You're right, it's the one in the middle. So we will put 12 in this spot. All right, we have one more missing number in that row. So let's see if we can figure out which one it is. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Where could my 19 be? It's one of these numbers, I think. Which one do you think is the number 19? It's this one. Very good. So let's put that one in that spot, and that row is complete. So let's count that whole row together. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Awesome job, friends. Thank you so much for helping me with those. Now, our first one is missing in this row. So let's try counting on from 20 to see what that one might be. So we have 20, 20, 21. Where is 21? Which one of these numbers is 21? Which number fits in that spot? You're right, 21 has a 2 in the tens place and a 1 in the ones place. 21. All right, let's start from there. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So we notice all of our numbers in this row have a 2 in the ones place. That's 20. And then the ones in the ones place. So let's see. If we have 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, what do you think 25 will look like? it will be a 2 in the tens place and a 5 in the ones place. So let me see if I can find that. Here it is. This is 25. A 2 in the tens place and a 5 in the ones place. 25. Very good. Okay, let's see. We have one more in that row. Do you think we can count on from 25? Let's give it a try. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. What comes after 29? It's 30. Very good. And this is the number 30. Now we can also figure out our numbers in this last row by counting by tens. Let's try and see if that one's right. 10, 20, 30, 40. Good job. So that 30 is our right number when we count by tens in this last row. All right, so we've got that whole row complete. Do you think we can count that entire row together? Let's do it. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Awesome job. Okay, now let's do the next row. 31, 32, 33. What number do you think will be in the tens and the ones place of 33? We will have a 3 in the tens place that stands for the 30 and a 3 in the ones place. Very good. So let me see. Do you think it will look like this? 33, a 3 in the tens place and a 3 in the ones place. Awesome job. All right, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. Very good. Let me see. See if I can find 36. Now this is going to be tricky because I see two numbers that look like they might have a 3 and a 6 for 36. So which one do you think it would be? We know it's not this one. Which of these two numbers? It's this one. This one is 63 because it has a 6 in the tens place and a 3 in the ones place. So this one will be 36 with a 3 in the tens place and a 6 in the ones place. So we'll place that there, and we've completed that row. So let's count it together. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. All right, let's try our next one. 41, 42. Which number do you think is 42? It's this one, 42. Good job. Now let's find, we have two missing numbers in this row right next to each other. So maybe we can help solve those together at the same time. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48. What will 48 look like? A 4 in the tens place and an 8 in the ones place. 48. And then we will have at one more than 48 is 49. Here is 49. So we'll put that there. And after we count this row, we will be halfway done fixing my big problem for the morning. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Yay! We are halfway there. What comes after 50? Let's see if we can count from 41 and find out what this number is. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51. Awesome. Which number of these numbers do you think is 51? If you said the one in the middle, you are correct. This is 51. Let's keep going with this row. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. Very good. 55 is a 5 in the tens place and a 5 in the ones place. Let's count on from 55. 55, 56, 57. Which number do you think is 57? Which number fits in that pocket? This number, this is 57. Very good, and we've completed another row. So let's count that one. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Awesome job. Let's try the next one. 61, 62, 63. And we've already looked at that number. We decided it was this one that looked like 36 flipped. So this is 63. We'll put that one there. And now we're missing the last one in this row. Can you think of another way to figure out what that number is without counting across the row? If you said counting down by tens, then you are right. Let's try that way to figure out that number. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Awesome job. And I've noticed that all of my tens end with a 0. They have a 0 in the ones place, so it's easy for me to find these numbers that go in the tens place. So let's now count that row. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. Great job. We're almost done fixing, and then we can start our lesson. 71, 72. Good job. Which number is 72? Very good. It's the one in the middle, and I'm going to hold these up because I can tell because these have a 7 in the tens place. They're also going to go in this row. So let's continue. 71, 72, 73, 74. Do you see 74? It's this number. Very good. Let's count on from 74. 74, 75, 76. There's our 77. Let's count that whole row together. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. Great job. We only have 5 more numbers laying out. We're almost done. What comes after our number 80? Let's start from 78 and count on and see if we can figure that one out. 78, 79, 80, 81. Very good. Which one is 81? It's this one. And I'm going to leave this one up because it's probably going to be our next number because I see an 8 in the tens place. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88. Awesome. Let's count that all together, that row. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. We're so close. 91. What comes next after 91? 92. Great job. Let's count on from 92, 93, 94, 95, 96. Oh, which number is 96? This is 96. Very good. So let's count on from 96, 97, 98, 99, and we are at 100. We can finally begin our lesson. Thank you so much for your help. I can't believe that happened this morning. All right, now we're going to do a little counting and moving. So everybody stand up with me. let's count and move. We're going to count from 1 to 10. And this time we're going to cross our arms and cross our legs. It's going to be a little bit more difficult because we're doing kind of 2 movements in one. But we can do it from 1 to 10. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Now let's count from 11 to 20 by bending our knees and bouncing up and down. Are you ready? Let's go. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Awesome job. Now we're going to do a little workout move, and let's curl our arms for 21 to 30. You ready to work out a little bit with me? 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. All right, you ready to have a little bit more fun? Now, from 31 to 40, we're going to swim. Can you swim with me from 31 to 40? Let's try it. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Excellent job. Now let's try from 41 to 50. Let's row a boat. You ready? 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Great job. Now we're going to climb a tree from 51 to 60. Let's go. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Great job. Now let's stretch our arms from 61 to 70. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. Great job. Now let's punch our arms from 71 to 80. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. All right, can you count from 81 to 90 with me by doing arm circles? Let's try that. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. And for our last 10 numbers, 91 to 100, let's clap up high. 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Yay! We have counted all the way from 1 to 100 2 times today. How awesome is that? All right, now we're going to play a little game together. Are you ready for a game? This time, we are going to practice counting by tens. But as I count by tens, I'm going to clap for one of the numbers. And when I clap, when we're finished counting, I want you to tell me what number I was missing. Are you ready to play? All right, listen carefully. 10, 30, 40, 50. Listen to it again. 10, 30, 40, 50. What number did I leave out with my clap? If you said 20, you are right. It's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Let's try another one just like that. 20, 30, 50, 60. Which tens did I leave out and clap? Listen to it again. 20, 30, 60. Did I leave one out? 2 out that time? Let's try that again. 20, 30, 50, 60. Which number was that? That was 40. Good job. All right, let's try a few more like that, and then we're going to look at some math problems on paper. Let's try 50, 70, 80, 90. What number did I leave out? Let's try that one again. 50, 70, 80, 90. If you said 60, you are right. All right, now let's look at what some of our math problems counting to 100 would look like on paper. Here, just like our clapping game, we have left out some tens. So we need to write in the missing tens, counting by tens on our paper. Let's count together. 10, 30, 40. So 10, what number comes next? 20. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Yes, and remember my tens always have a 0 in the ones place. Very good. Let's try another one. 30, 40. What number would go there? 30, 40, 50. Great job. Now let's figure out this number. 30, 40, 50. What do you think will go there? If you said 60, you are right. Let's count that one all together. 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Now this is where it gets tricky when the first number is blank. So we have to think, what comes before 30 when we're counting by tens? Let's think about that. Let's count all the way through and see if we can hear what comes before 30. 10, 20, 30, 40. Oh, I heard it. Did you hear it? Let's try that again. 10, 20, 30. You're right, it's 20. Those are always the trickiest for me when the first one is blank. So now we can keep going from there. 20, 30, 40, 50. And our last number is 60. Great job. Oh, here's another one that has the first one blank. Let's see what comes before 20 when we count by tens. 10, 20, 30. You said you heard it. That's right. It is the number 10. All right, so let's count and find this last number. 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. Great job. As we wrap up today, I want to show you some fun games that you can play at home, counting to 100 by tens and ones. So one thing that we did at my house is we made a hopscotch board counting by tens. So we have been practicing counting by tens to 100 on our hopscotch board, which is super fun and a great way to get outside. Another thing that I have done is we made these tiny flags out of sticky notes and straws. You can do popsicle sticks or anything that you have at home, and we made these little flags just kind of like we did with the numbers 1 to 20 and put these around the yard, had a scavenger hunt for numbers, and then put them in order by tens. Once we found all of our numbers, you can take a hundreds chart and black out numbers and find the missing numbers just like we did today. And if you only have one hundreds chart and you don't want to mess those up, you can always put a piece of paper or a sticky note or something over the top. We like to play hundreds chart bingo. You can call out the numbers and see if you can fill a whole row or a whole column playing bingo. And then lastly, I have cut up a hundreds chart into squares of 4 numbers. And you can use these numbers and try to put the hundreds chart back together like a puzzle. And this is challenging enough with just 4 numbers, but if you really want a challenge, you can cut the whole thing up and try to put all 100 numbers back together. I have had so much fun learning with all of you today. Please continue to play these games and practice counting from 100 by ones and by tens. And I will see you next week for some addition.